Learn the word clearly. Boost your English communication skills. Have you ever struggled to express yourself in English? Today, we're going to learn about a word that can help you communicate more effectively. Clearly. Word type. Clearly is an adverb. This means it describes how an action is performed or how something happens. Meaning, clearly means in a way that is easy to see, hear, or understand. It also can mean without doubt or obviously. Word history. The word clearly comes from the Latin word clarus, which means bright or clear. It has been used in English since the 14th century. Antonyms. Some words that mean the opposite of clearly are unclearly, vaguely, and ambiguously. Synonyms. Words that have similar meanings to clearly include obviously, evidently, and distinctly. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some ways to use clearly in sentences. She spoke clearly so that everyone in the room could understand her. The instructions were clearly written on the package. He was clearly upset about the news. Common errors in use. Some people confuse clearly with clearness. Remember, clearly is an adverb, while clearness is a noun. For example, you would say the teacher explained the lesson clearly, not the teacher explained the lesson with clearness. To sum up, clearly is an adverb that means in an easy-to-understand way or without doubt. It's a useful word for describing how actions are done or how things appear. By using clearly in your speaking and writing, you can express yourself more effectively in English and potentially improve your IELTS score.